look.
Come on. Look.
There, I got one.
I want to record it and get leave.
Okay, let's go. Record it.
Yeah.
Help get the baby home on it.
Get the baby.
We're gonna let it go.
Like, it flew right past me right here, and then it stayed on our trash bin. And then my mom just brought this up, and then I don't know.
Okay, right here. Let it go right here, cause I don't want to go outside. Hey.
Just come outside and JJ, or
Right here.
or
Like, wait, let the baby take a picture with it. Come on. Oh, let's see. Right there. There, I got it. I got a picture of it already. Where are you gonna let it go? Just let it right there, cause it looks perfectly. I can't really see it no more. Yeah, I can see it now. Where'd it go? Oh wow, it just like left here.